Darker Than Night is a telepresence artwork done by Eduardo Kac in the Rotterdam Zoological Gardens in 1999. This telepresence artwork explores the human-animal-robot interface as a means of mediating relations of empathy. In the piece, humans, a telerobotic bat called the Batbot, and over 300 Egyptian fruit bats share a cave in the Rotterdam Zoo. When participants placed a virtual reality headset on, a small sonar unit inside the Batbot's head swept the room at about 45 kilohertz. What the users saw were several white dots that represented the bats flying throughout the cave, and as the bats flew throughout the cave, they would continuously change. The effect was to allow the user to emphasize with the fruit bats by both limiting and augmenting their perception to the bat's only means of perception, which is sonar. In relation to Wilson's Art as a Research article, Katz's Darker Than Night fits very well into this role of the artist as a researcher. This is one of several pieces of Katz's that involves a machine to mediate a conversation between two different species. One of the things that Wilson talks about is how the artist offers a unique perspective towards avenues of research that traditional scientific and technological researchers might not see the value of. And I think this piece, Darker Than Night, and the next piece that I want to show, essays considering human understanding, are a perfect example of this because a science firm or a technological firm may not see the value of promoting conversation between a fruit bat and a human through a virtual reality headset, but the artist could see it as a unique and thought-provoking thought process that could benefit from further research. Essay Concerning Human Understanding was a live, bidirectional, interactive, telematic, interspecies sonic installation by Kac and Ikuo Nakamura between Kentucky and New York. Here a canary has a dialogue with a plant over 600 miles away over an ordinary phone line. Here a yellow canary in Kentucky listens to a speaker in its cage controlled by a plant that has an electric diode attached to it. The bird's calls were picked up by a microphone and sent to the speaker next to the plant. The electric diode measures the plant's response to the bird. The important aspect of this project is that although these two different forms of life don't fully understand each other, they are able to have a dialogue of some sort and are able to communicate through this machine mediation. And whereas a technological firm or a scientific firm may not pursue this because they aren't actually fully understanding each other, Katz, as an artist, sees this perspective or this dialogue as something that's thought-provoking and that could allow humans to be able to emphasize or empathize with the fact that other living creatures do understand us, and that we should maybe try to pursue being able to communicate with them more fully than we currently are able.